Today's tutorial is on how to install a Logitech webcam and headsets. This is going to be quite a short tutorial because it's fairly straightforward. We use Logitech C310 webcams. We also have two different types of headsets, one of them having a USB on the end and the other headset having two jacks, one for the microphone and one for the earphones. So we're first going to take a look at the webcam. Very easy to get working. All you have to do is to take the USB plug attached to it and just plug it into one of the USB ports on your computer. Here you can see we're plugging it into a front port. If you want to, you can plug it into a back port and that keeps the front ports free. Once you've plugged in the USB connector, just take the camera and clip it round the top of the screen. You don't need to install any drivers, as the generic drivers on the computer will work just fine. As I mentioned before, your headset can either have a USB connector on it, or it could have two jacks. If it's got the USB connector, you just follow the same principles as plugging in the webcam. Very straightforward, very simple. If you have the two jacks, you have to identify which jack is which. One of them being the headphones and one of them being the microphone. The green one is headphones, and what you want to do is to plug this into the headphone socket and that you plug in the pink connector into the microphone socket. Quite often on the back of the computers these are color coded to make things easier. Assuming that you're using your camera and headset for Skype, one thing you might want to look out for is which microphone is selected. There is a microphone built into the webcam and quite often Skype defaults to this. If you wish to use a microphone on your headset, you'll have to go into the tools and then into the options where you can go into the audio settings and change which microphone you wish to use.